Impact of the software development lifecycle on testing. Testing success depends on adapting to the chosen SDLC model. SDLC governs what, when, and how testing is performed. Understanding this relationship is key for effective software quality assurance. Software Development Lifecycle Blueprint for test activities. Sequential models. Testing occurs mostly after development is complete. Focus on final system integration and acceptance testing. Example, Waterfall model. Iterative models. Testing is continuous and integrated with development. Supports early defect detection. Example, Agile and V-model linking tests to phases. Test documentation. Adapting to software development lifecycle granularity. Waterfall documentation. Thorough, formal documents like test plans and bug reports. Agile documentation. Lightweight, evolving documents focused on user stories. Regulated industries. Require detailed documentation ensuring compliance and traceability. Software development lifecycle drives method selection. Sequential models. Structured, scripted testing often predominates. Agile models. Exploratory and automated testing thrive in fast cycles. Risk-based and BDD. Focus testing efforts on critical features and behaviors. Software development lifecycle shapes responsibilities. Waterfall tester. Validates products after development completes. Agile tester. Collaborates continuously with developers and stakeholders. Skill set. Coding, communication, and design involvement are essential. Software development lifecycle and good testing practices. For every software development activity, there is a corresponding test activity, so that all development activities are subject to quality control. Different test levels have specific and different test objectives, which allows for testing to be appropriately comprehensive while avoiding redundancy. Test analysis and design for a given test level begins during the corresponding development phase of the SDLC, so that testing can adhere to the principle of early testing. Testers are involved in reviewing work products as soon as drafts of this documentation are available, so that this earlier testing and defect detection can support the shift-left strategy.